Simplifying expressions. Let's look at 2 plus 3 times 5. Here we have to do the multiplication first. 3 times 5, we get 15. Then add the 2, and we get 2 plus 15, and we get 17. Now we have to do the multiplication first because we have the order of operations, where we have to do parentheses, any grouping, and then any exponents, multiplication or division, and addition or subtraction last. And we often use this PEMDAS to help us remember that order of operations. Let's use that in the next example. And I'm going to write it just on the side here to help me remember my order. So let's look at that. First, parentheses. So I have to look at the 5 minus 2, and I'll get 3. Then I want to go ahead and look at the exponents. No, there's no exponents. Then I look at the, so we're done with these, right? And then I look at the multiplication or division. So I notice that I have my division here, 18 divided by 6. And we're going to get 3. And then we have 4 times 3, and that would be 12. And that's how you do the order. If you have the same thing like multiplication, division on the same order, we do it from left to right. So we get 3 plus 12. That's going to be our last part there. Our addition or subtraction. Here we have addition. And we get 3 plus 12. We get 15. Let's look at another example. Again, I'm going to write that PEMDAS on the side here to help me remember my order of operations. Here we have several groupings. Now the P again stands for parentheses and any of the other groupings as well. So we have to do this part first, and we do the very most inner parentheses first, the 4 minus 2, and I'll get 2. So far I just have the 5 plus 2 to the third power plus 3, 6 minus 3 times 2. Then we have to continue working inside our brackets here. And inside the brackets, the next thing in the order of operations would be multiplication. Right here, the 3 times 2. The negative 3 makes a negative 6. So we're going to have everything. We haven't done anything with this yet. And we'll have 6 minus 6 inside the brackets. And that's still the parentheses part. We have to do 6 minus 6, we get 0. So we're going to end up with 3 times 0. And then we could do that. 3 times 0 would be 0. And we also have 2 to the third, our exponent. 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 would be 4. 4 times 2 would be 8. And then we have the 5. And then we can add them up, 5 and 8, and we get 13.